Now I know that this start sounds very familiar. This is a very, very popular song that was composed by Nyboma Mwan'Dido. Now originally it was produced when he was in Le Kamale band, but he has done a rendition. So this one is a rendition that was done to just improve the song, to improve the quality of production and use modern technology. So that is a rendition of the original Doublé Doublé as composed by Nyboma Mwan'Dido. Now on the song, of course, you have Bass Matuta doing the bass guitar, you have Awilo Longomba doing the drums, you have Lokasa Yambongo doing guitar accompaniment, rhythm guitar, and then of course there is Daliki Moko doing solo guitar. And there are two very distinct, very clear voices, that of Nyboma Mwan'Dido and of course Utamai Blaze. Now I have previously given the history or the biography of Nyboma Mwan'Dido, so what I want to do is to go straight into translating for you this hit, evergreen hit called Doublé Doublé. And like I've indicated, the solo guitar was done by Jamendala. So Jamendala is popularly called Daliki Moko. Tikana benda nzoto nalembi komona bampasi ya boye. So I am tired of feeling this kind of pain, so I'm pulling back. I want to protect myself, so or pull away from this relationship. So Kobenda nzoto, in this case, the context is that the person in the song says that they want to get out of the relationship because it is giving them more pain than pleasure. Alembiko lobanatala sena miso yo matu pona nini owangani boye. And I am tired of talking. All that has remained is for me to just look, and is asking you, Matu, why have you gone against what we wished? Why are you denying me? More or less, because Kowangana is to deny. Pasi is simbingana motema. There's a lot of pain in my heart, and it's because of the way they want it. Lokutana yo mabe mama masumu doublé doublé. You know, you are full of lies and double speak, you know. So doublé doublé is double double. So you are too much in terms of lies. You tell too many lies. It is just too much. And even says masumu. So masumu is actually sin. So doublé doublé is just double double. So that you are too much of lies, you're too much of sin. Kolinga motezali lisumute mpona nini odublenga iboye. You know, loving somebody is not a sin. But now, why are you dribbling me the way you are doing? Why are you playing, this game of cat and mouse with me? Bayemba bayemba balembi na koyemba likolo nayo tika enzombo. Those that could actually sing have sung about you. They have done everything that they could have done in praising and singing for you. Now they are tired of singing about you. And then Nyboma says, Tika Nzombo. So stop this pride that you have. Bapesa kamote mandenge nini oh ma doublé doublé. How do they give out a heart? If you want to love, how do you love? How do you give out your heart? Then just says doublé doublé. It's double double. Komelanga mikolo ya poso mama o doublé doublé. So you should even be writing to me. You know, I like to read, to hear from you. So be writing to me letters even for all days of the week, if you will. Pesanga mwa beze yalitama na kachwa o doublé doublé. And he now asking, please give me a kiss on the cheek, na kachwa, so that I really get finished, you know. So kokachwa is more of being finished, or actually you might find in some other cases it might even mean dead or death. But so in this case, just says, please give me a kiss on the cheek, you will have finished me. And if especially that kiss is given on my tongue, I'll have reached the place or the point that I really like or I really love. Na bomba na motema na kokate tika na bimisa. You know, I've been hiding this in my heart for quite a long time, but I'm no longer able to hide. So let me show it out. So let me express my love tika na bimisa. Mama na bomba na motema na kokate tika na bimisa. Mama na bomba na motema na kokate lelo tika na bimisa. You know, I've been hiding these feelings, this love for you in my heart, but I'm no longer able to do so. So today, tika na bimisa. Let me express it. Let me let you know that you know, I love you. Oh, that is what am I.
L'ingénieur Touma Piquela.
Oh, muziki kitoko. Oh, beautiful, sweet music. Again, the words of Utamai. And you know, Utamai and Nyboma have come from a long way back, you know. Esala kanga pasi na motema. It really hurts. It really pains my heart. And then the backup, of course, is Mama oh doublé doublé. This double, whether it is double speak or something. Namotema namolema, in my heart. So motema and molema can be used interchangeably to mean in my heart. So esala kanga pasi mingi na motema na molema. It really hurts me in my heart. Yaka kopesa nga beze yali tama. So come and give me a kiss on my cheek. Soki opesinga yalolemu. And if that kiss is given to me on my tongue, Wana nakomina esika na lingaka. I'll have reached the place that I really love, I really like. Esala kanga pasi na motema, it really hurts me, it really pains my heart. Na motema na molema, so it's the same thing in my heart. Mama oh doublé doublé, so mama oh double double, you know. Yo matu doublé doublé, yo matu, you are double doubling, you are doubling, you know. It means you are blowing both hot and cold. You are not very clear. Yo matu doublé doublé, you matu, you are doubling and doubling. Then of course we get into 7, and like I told you that the solo guitar, even from the very first version, was actually done by Daliki Moko. Then of course Utamai says Daliki Moko Yoka. So listen to Daliki Moko.
Dansez, dansez, mesdames, mesdemoiselles et messieurs, au rythme de la guitare rythmique de l'Okasa Yambongo.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, dance, because the rhythm guitar is being done by Lukasa Yambongo. May God rest his soul in eternal peace. Now that is Awilo Longomba. And Awilo Longomba tells us bass matuta ala guitar bass, that the guitar bass, the bass guitar is being done by Matuta. Of course, now Awilo Longomba is the Atalaku in this 7 of the song. So he mentions Bibi Dance. Bibi Dance is another very renowned vocalist. So that actually that is how the song ends, you know, on a very high note, you know, a proper 7. My name is Mwalimu Chris Care. If you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly hit the subscribe button so that you can get this kind of content every time I post it. Thank you very much.